In today's video, I'll be unboxing a few purchases I just made, and I want to show you guys what I got. Hopefully I'm not cutting any cards. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check out what we got. I'm not quite sure what year these are, but I'm assuming I'm assuming for the best. So, very nice packaging. To the person who sold me these, thank you so much. Your packaging looks amazing. That sticker really just makes it for me. Oh, wow. We will be unboxing it in this manner, where we don't know what cards we will be pulling out first. Alrighty, first card. Wow, very nice card. Card number 2. Wow. Card number 3. Wow. I am very happy with the cards I'm receiving. Whoa. Do let me know how I am doing on my videos. And also, please subscribe. Ooh, Charizard. Very nice. I am assuming these 3 are the nice cards. So I'm gonna flip them. Wow. We have a very nice Charizard. Along with another Charizard. Not so bad. So I have just unboxed 3 Charizards. Thank you for watching my video, and subscribe for more.